Oh, it's bright. Dang. That's gnarly.
It's even going through my sunglasses.
Really?
Like around the side.
Oh, right here, I'm good.
There you go. What about
Nice. Third or fourth day working on the floors, and we're gonna finish it up.
So pretty much we got the insulation cut out to size in the framing, and that kind of makes a mess cutting up that polyiso. So we're gonna pull it out, leaf blow in there, get all the debris out of there, and then we're gonna pretty much adhesive down the insulation, then screw the plywood floor over it. Bada bing, bada boom.
So you'll see this footage of us finishing it soon.
Yep.
Andrew, when I was at work, scuffed up the spots that were going to be marine sealing down these little frame wooden bits.
So all I did really was trace out the wood, come at it with a wire brush on the drill, scuff it up a little bit so that the wood has a little bit better grip on there. Now we just gotta lay it down.
Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through.
When these things down.
What?
Trips to Home Depot, but romanticize it.
Look at this lovely journey we're going on.
What prepping for a market and building a van out looks like. Oh, oh, beautiful. Putting down the marine sealant, and then all this stuff is to weigh it down. Been sitting here for 48 hours.
Well, I'm here for you through the thick and thin. We're on a winding road that never ends. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running around the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you, heaven knows.
Back half of the van is all marine sealant down. Now time to cut polyiso to fit inside each little rectangle square. Took all of the cut insulation out so we can leaf blow and sweep underneath.
right, so we're getting ready to lay down the floor. Obviously, we need to make sure we're screwing into these metal battens here. I mean, wood battens. Whew, morning. So I use this painter's tape. I also use pencil to kind of mark it out, but I put the painter's tape in each section over here so that when I'm screwing in the floor, I know that I'm screwing into a piece of wood and not into foam board. There you go.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna have wooden beams coming out a little bit further, one here, so we can extend that living space when we have our cabinets coming out further. Nearly there. Gotta drill down a few things and clean it up front, but for the majority of the part, the floor is finished. Mario.